running.
How you get so much favor on your side? Accept the measure, Lord and Savior, I replied. Thou shalt love thy neighbor, not divide. I'm a ride, that's on God.
Yo, what is going on, people? Today we are checking out the Himiway C5 long-range e-bike. This thing gets about 60 to 80 miles on a charge. It's a dirt bike inspired e-bike with full suspension. It's got headlights, taillights, all that good stuff. So we're gonna tear it open real quick and get an idea how this thing goes. So first step in the review was to unbox the Himiway C5. I immediately seen the dirt bike style seat and the carbon fiber gas tank cup holder. So you guys are gonna see me mention this a lot because I love my coffee. But this metal Himiway flask is super nice and it fits perfectly inside this cup holder. So before you can access the bike, there's this box that you pull out, and right here is going to have all the components that you're going to need for your Himiway, including a sweet Himiway hat. So right here you've got your decals so you can customize your Himiway, as well as the owner's manual, and also this pretty compact charger so you can charge up the battery. Although I have my own toolbox of tools, this kit comes with everything that you need to put the bike together. So with the help of my cameraman sliding the box out, I was able to lift the Himiway up out of it and put it on the motorcycle lift. That's how light it was. Next up, I put in the wheel chock, cut off all the zip ties and foam that kept it nice and securely packaged. So first thing first, unscrew the clamps so I could put the bars through, and I noticed that it has a USB-C port, which I'm really hype about. I screwed the bars on and got them nice and snug. And then next up was the pedals. These are reverse thread to get those on. Installing that nice LED headlight. Next up was the front wheel. Take off these nice covers and then go ahead and thread in your axle. And that sweet ASMR peeling off all the decals off the lenses. And you're about good to go. But first I'm going to customize this and pull off these decals and simply apply them on the side and give it a whole new look. And there's going to be tons of different kits that Himiway offers so you can customize your Himiway more in the future. And of course, can't forget the other side's decal to match. Peeling off that beautiful Himiway screen with all your functions, and it's time to pull out. This screen is very high tech. It shows you the RPMs as you give the throttle power. Finally, it was time to ride out and do our first test ride on this thing. Being an electric motorcycle style e-bike, I wanted to try this thing off-road just as much as on-road. Most people know first stop is to get a fresh cup of coffee for that cup holder. I took a cruise downtown, riding the sidewalks in some really tight areas. I had a chance to hang out while the train passed by and just simply admire how sweet the styling on this bike was. So first ride, even though the bike was lower seating for my taller self, the bars being a little bit higher than the standard bars that I'm used to made it really comfortable and easy to adjust considering that. One thing that stood out with Himiway to me was the fact that most e-bikes can usually only go 30 to 40 miles, but based on the feedback of over 50,000 users, Himiway has been continuously improving the range of e-bikes and was able to get this one to 60 to 80 miles on one single charge, making it one of the top long-range e-bikes on the market currently. I noticed how comfortable the seating was considering I was riding in trails, rough roads, and other challenging terrains. And it also had pretty decent climbing performance as well. It has a 750 watt brushless geared hub motor in the back wheel, powered by an LG 48 volt 28 amp hour battery. To stop all that, you have front and rear disc brakes attached to 20-inch Himiway Kenda customized off-road tires. These tires are low rolling resistance off-road tires. They have a reflective stripe that is super visible at night. It's almost blinding. The seat is a large profile long saddle, and you also have a Shimano 7-speed shifter for pedaling assistance. You have thumb throttle as well as pedaling to power the bike, and 1 through 5 options to customize how much your pedal assist helps you in the settings. One thing that really stood out of this bike was the 6061 aluminum frame that was very lightweight, but also had a sweet black and gray hydro dip style paint job to it. Absolutely love that LED headlight. Definitely love the ability to adjust my compression on the forks on the fly. And of course, still using that cup holder. Turning on this power button right here, you can see this beautiful screen light up. The battery module includes a touch controlled switch to adjust the ambient lighting. I tried this during the day, but I was super excited to try this during the nighttime. And as you can see, I'm 6'2" and I don't look too compact on the bike. It's pretty spacious considering its size. And you can see my eyes. I'm pretty amazed right now seeing how fast I got the bike up to. Since I reached a new top speed, I was committed to try to get even faster. So I tried to tuck as best as I could, but the bike's not really aerodynamic, even though I tried as hard as I could. Tested the maneuvering left and right at higher speeds, see if the bike's got any kind of wobbles, and it stayed really stable considering all that. And I was pedaling hard, still trying to tuck for higher top speeds. Overall, just cruising until I kicked my coffee cup. I wanted to verify not only on my bike but also my friend's bike that my bike was doing 31 miles an hour. So we checked on his, and then we also checked on mine. Yes, indeed, this bike was doing 31 miles an hour. Pretty freaking sweet. And of course, I'm a professional stunt rider, so if you give me any kind of bike to review, you're guaranteed to have me try some stunts on it, even if it's not meant for that kind of stuff. It's worth trying. So overall, the night ride was a success. This Himiway was stylish and comfy and just an overall awesome chill ride to ride throughout the night. My last stop testing out this bike would be an abandoned prison, exploring some super odd and abstract areas. Let's see if the Himiway can handle it. Which one?
Keep it down! I'm trying to sleep.
Overall, this Himiway surprised me and I was pretty impressed with it. But let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments. If you guys are interested in grabbing your own Himiway, feel free to click the link in the bio and check out all their products. Himiway is coming to a place near you. Himiway C5 coming to a store near you. March 2024, people. Get it while you can.